Ever wondered how some people can easily connect with others in any social situation? This is where the concept of social intelligence comes into play. Much like emotional intelligence, it's a skill set, but one that specifically enhances our ability to understand and navigate complex social environments. It's a blend of self-awareness, empathy, active listening, and interpersonal communication. When honed, it can significantly improve both personal and professional relationships. It's time to dive deeper into understanding social intelligence and how you can cultivate it. The first step to increasing your social intelligence lies in self-awareness. It's understanding your own behaviors, the reactions they elicit, and how they impact those around you. Studies from esteemed institutions like Harvard and Stanford show that individuals with high self-awareness are better equipped to navigate social situations. They're able to adjust their behaviors based on their understanding of how others perceive them. Imagine being at a social gathering. You're sharing a story, and you notice people looking at their phones or drifting away. That's a cue. It could mean that your story isn't engaging, or perhaps it's just too long. By being aware of this reaction, you can shift gears, ask a question, or introduce a new topic. Self-awareness also helps in managing emotions, preventing impulsive reactions, and making thoughtful decisions. It allows you to understand your strengths and weaknesses, which contributes to better social interactions. Remember, self-awareness is the foundation of your social intelligence journey. Moving on, let's understand the role of empathy and active listening in social intelligence. Empathy, at its core, is the ability to feel and understand what someone else is experiencing. It's like stepping into their shoes and viewing the world from their perspective. Active listening, on the other hand, is the art of fully concentrating, understanding, responding, and then remembering what is being said. Imagine the power of combining these two skills. You're not just hearing words, but also understanding the emotions behind them. You're not just sympathizing, but truly empathizing. This combination allows you to respond effectively and build stronger connections. So how do we practice these skills? Start by being present in conversations, focus, and avoid distractions. Pay attention to not only what is said, but also how it's said. And remember, empathy is about understanding, not necessarily agreeing. Empathy and active listening are not just skills, they are the keys to successful social interactions. Now let's discuss the art of interpersonal communication and recognizing social cues. These are two essential components of social intelligence. Interpersonal communication is more than exchanging information. It's about understanding the emotion and intentions behind the information. It's about connecting with others on a deeper level. And this isn't possible without recognizing social cues. Social cues are signals that people send through their body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice. For instance, if someone is avoiding eye contact or has crossed arms, they may be feeling defensive or uncomfortable. On the other hand, a warm smile or relaxed posture can indicate openness and comfort. Recognizing these subtle cues can help you understand others' feelings and intentions, making your interactions more effective and meaningful. Now let's talk about conversation. The art of conversation is a key aspect of interpersonal communication. Appropriate conversation topics vary depending on the context. At a professional networking event, it might be suitable to discuss industry trends or career aspirations, while at a social gathering, lighter topics like hobbies, travel experiences, or current events might be more fitting. Different forms of body language can also convey different messages. A firm handshake can express confidence, while maintaining eye contact during a conversation can reflect sincerity and interest. Mastering interpersonal communication and understanding social cues will take your social intelligence to the next level. As we wrap up, let's revisit what we've learned about social intelligence. We delved into the importance of self-awareness, the understanding of our own behaviors, and how they impact our interactions. We explored empathy, the ability to put ourselves in others' shoes. We learned how active listening is more than just hearing words, but understanding and responding to them effectively. We discussed interpersonal communication, the art of conveying messages that others can comprehend. We also touched on recognizing social cues and the value of appropriate conversation topics, in addition to the various forms of body language that can speak volumes without uttering a single word. The journey to enhancing your social intelligence may seem daunting, but it's a skill that can be cultivated. Check out CourseCat's Pro Edge membership for the Social Intelligence course. Links in the description. The benefits are profound, including improved relationships, better communication, and a deeper understanding of people. Hit the like button now if you found this video informative, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, building social intelligence is a lifelong journey, but with practice, you'll see significant improvements in your social interactions. Be bold, my friends.